A low price can be tempting when you're about to spend thousands on a new car, especially as interest rates and new car prices continue to rise. However, a low purchase price doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting the best deal. In a worst-case scenario, a cheap car could rack up high costs during your years of ownership. These could include steep fuel costs, expensive repairs, or hefty insurance premiums. Honda Civic. This all-new Civic is worth your attention, and not just because Honda is marketing it on Twitch to urbane young people like yourself. The Civic offers excellent handling, exceptional value, a cool interior, and not one but two versions with a manual transmission. Genesis G70. The Genesis G70 is a tremendous value in the luxury sports sedan market. And it's not just a value play. With great looks, a luxurious cabin, sporty driving dynamics, and some serious engine pop, it's just as good as its big-name rivals, maybe better. Honda Accord. Honda won't let you get a manual on the Accord anymore. But you still get luxury car performance and refinement at a very affordable price point. There's a reason the Accord has made the Car and Driver 10 Best list a stunning 36 times. Mercedes E-Class. The E-Class has been the Goldilocks mainstay of the Mercedes lineup for decades. Want a buttery smooth entry-level luxury sedan? A 600 horsepower fire-breathing wagon? How about something precisely in between that's brilliant in its own right? The E-Class is you covered. Mercedes S-Class. These days, SUVs and crossovers, hell, arguably even pickup trucks, have become the de facto choice for luxury buyers, but a few hundred miles behind the wheel of the new S-Class will remind you just how appealing it is to drive a fancy sedan instead. Subaru Outback. Many vehicles try to combine the best of car-like handling and SUV-like capability and practicality, but few succeed, at a price point that mere mortals can afford, like the Subaru Outback, which packs as much space and off-road prowess as many sport utes without the fuel economy pain. Audi RS6 Avant. Mercedes isn't selling the AMG E63 wagon currently to make this more of a contest. But we absolutely love that Audi brought over the RS6 Avant to the US. It packs 591 horsepower with an impressive AWD system to make the most of it. You can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.1 seconds when you're running late for that school run. Porsche 911. The Porsche 911 is the benchmark for a reason. The current generation is an objective improvement in nearly every measurable way. It is more powerful, faster, handles better, keeps occupants safer, has more advanced technology, and is even more eco-friendly than its predecessors. Volkswagen Golf GTI. Driving it every day, the 8th generation GTI is the same GTI as always, but a little bit better. The car is still quick, lively, and responsive. Steering remains precise. Driving the GTI is smooth and easy to drive from the get-go. Reactions to your inputs can be downright uncanny. Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. The CT5V Blackwing puts out 668 horsepower from its supercharged 6.2-liter V8. For perspective, you're getting more horsepower on tap than Cadillac's PV. A race car, with traction control that would be illegal in any racing series. Volvo V60 Recharge. The V60 Recharge sounds like parental driving nirvana, and it is. Volvo just gave it a powertrain upgrade for 2022. It now puts out 455 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. A larger battery yields 41 miles of EV-only range. It's also safe, reasonably spacious, has all-wheel drive, and won't blind anyone with chrome trim. Jeep Wrangler 4Z. The Hemi V8-powered Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 will capture the hearts of many enthusiasts. But the hybrid Wrangler 4Z is the best Wrangler ever made. The added power and torques make it a force on road and off. And the Wrangler 4Z can do a 20-mile round-trip commute without using a drop of gas. Kia EV6. Kia could have led off with a boring, conventional crossover EV. Instead, they went bold with the EV6. It's aggressive and sporty looking, and it has impressive and fun driving dynamics to match that appearance. Mercedes-Benz EQS. The Mercedes EQS is no sport sedan. But it rides with the sort of solidity and comfort that most luxury cars can only dream about. Bentley and Rolls-Royce engineers would be happy to extol the virtues of having ample mass when it comes to ride and NVH, and this Mercedes has plenty of mass to go around, thanks to the 108 kilowatt-hour battery pack at the bottom of the chassis. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.